ഗുഡ് മോർണിംഗ്. ഈ ഒരു വീഡിയോ ചെയ്യുന്നത് നവംബർ 4 തുടങ്ങുന്ന കാലിക്കറ്റ് യൂണിവേഴ്സിറ്റിയുടെ BCom BBA എക്സാമുകളിൽ മാർക്കറ്റിംഗ് മാനേജ്മെൻറ്റിൽ നിന്ന് ചോദിക്കാൻ സാധ്യതയുള്ള കുറച്ച് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ആണ് നമ്മൾ ഈ വീഡിയോയിൽ ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യാൻ പോകുന്നത്. നേരിട്ട് നമുക്ക് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യനിലേക്ക് കടക്കാം. ഫസ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ, വാട്ട് ഈസ് സ്പോട്ട് മാർക്കറ്റ്? Spot market is a market where goods are transacted on the spot or immediately. Second question, what is capital market? A market where buyers and sellers engage in trade or financial securities like bonds, stocks, etc. The buying and selling is undertaken by the participants such as individuals and institutions. Capital market consists of primary market and secondary market. Third question, define marketing. Philip Kotler defined marketing as a social and managerial process by which individuals and groups obtain what they need and want through creating and exchanging product and value with others. Fourth question, marketing mix. What is marketing mix? Marketing mix is a combination of elements like product, price, place, and promotion, etc., in the right proportion to provide maximum satisfaction to the consumers and maximum profit to the company. Fifth question, what is social marketing? Social marketing is the use of commercial marketing principles and techniques to improve the welfare of the people and the physical, social, and economic environment in which they live. It is a carefully planned long-term approach to changing human behavior. Sixth question, what is demarketing? Demarketing refers to when a company discourages its customer to buy a product produced by them. It is because of shortage of supply or want of product their other product, and the company is not having as much as profit with the sale of the product. And the seventh question is, what is niche marketing? Niche marketing is defined as channelizing all marketing effort towards one well-defined segment of population.